Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a new lesson, The Little Genius. Dear children, this is introduction paragraph of this lesson. Let's read this paragraph. I am reading and you repeat after me. Matilda Wormwood is a genius. She is a little girl who loves to learn new things. Since she was a baby, she started learning things at a very fast pace. When she was 4 years old, she found the way to a library near her house. She started visiting the library every day and finished reading all the children's books. She has started going to school now, and her teacher is about to find out how clever she is. So this story is about a little girl called Matilda Wormwood, and she is a genius. Now let's see what is the meaning of genius. A genius is someone who is very intelligent. You can see some pictures here. They are all considered geniuses. First one is Albert Einstein. Second one is Thomas Edison. Third one is Isaac Newton. They are all geniuses. They are all very intelligent people. Matilda is a genius girl. She loves to learn new things. Since she was a baby, she started learning everything quickly. When Matilda was 4 years old, she started going to a library and she read all the children's books. Now she has started going to school. Miss Jennifer Honey was a mild and quiet person. She never raised her voice and rarely smiled. Miss Jennifer Honey was Matilda's math teacher, and she was very mild and quiet person. Mild and quiet person is someone who talks very little and in a very low voice. Miss Jennifer Honey was a mild and quiet person. She never raised her voice and rarely smiled. Today we will learn the 2 times table, she said. Now then, does anyone know the 2 times table already? Matilda put up her hand. Miss Jennifer Honey was Matilda's math teacher, and she was a very mild and quiet person. That means she talks very little and in a very soft voice, and she never smiles. In the maths class, she said to the student that she will teach 2 times table to the class. And then she asked if anyone knew 2 times table already. Matilda, being a genius, she raised her hand. Now students, can you pick out 2 verbs from this paragraph? I'll give you some time. So here, first one is raised, then smiled, then learn, said, no. Miss Honey looked carefully at the tiny girl. She was only 5.5 years old. Many of the students in the class were older than her. Wonderful, she said. Please stand up and recite as much of it as you can. Matilda stood up and began to say the 2 times table. She went right up to 2 times 14 in 28. 2 times 15 is 30. Stop, Miss Honey said. She asked, how far can you go? For quite a long way, I think, Matilda said. So in the maths class, Miss Honey asked the student if anyone knew 2 times table. Matilda raised her hand. When Matilda put up her hand, Miss Jennifer Honey looked at her very carefully because she was very tiny and she was only 5.5 years old, and many of her classmates were older than her. And then Miss Honey told Matilda to recite the table. Recite means to say aloud before an audience. Like in this picture, the girl is reciting something, reciting a poem. This is recitation competition. So she is reciting a poem. You can recite table also. Matilda stood up and started reciting the table. She recited till 2 times 15 is 30. Then Miss Honey stopped her and asked her how far she can recite. Matilda said, for quite a long way. For quite a long way means a long distance. Matilda recited the table till 2 times 15 is 30. Then Miss Honey stopped her. What happened after that we will find out in the next video. Okay, now children, tell me the opposite of the word tiny. Can you tell me what is the opposite of the word tiny? It is huge. And what is the opposite of older? Yes, it is younger. And what is the opposite of wonderful? It is awful. Okay. Now last one. What is the opposite of long? It is short. Children, these are word meaning. Write these word meanings in your notebook. Children, this is homework for you. Read the line from the text and answer the questions. The text is, now then, does anyone know the 2 times table already? Who said this and to whom? Who knew the table? So we have already discussed the answer in this video, and I am sure you will able to write the answer in your notebook. Thank you very much for watching this video.